Hey guys, I'm Avika. I do contortion in gymnastics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Here you go. So guys, today I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can do step-by-step backbend just in one day. So let's go. We are going to start with warm-ups. Warm-ups are very important, so you should never skip them. You can also do it 30 times instead of 12. This is the second one. In this warm-up, you have to put your hands on your waist and then bend your back. Now bend forward. Repeat this activity. Do it 5 times. It's time for the third one. First, get into the downward facing dog. Then slowly get into the cobra pose. Just like this. Now stretch your back as much as you can. Do it 5 times. Can you touch your head like this? Tell me in the comment section. Now it's time to give your back a little bit of rest. Don't skip these. Before doing a bridge, you should know how to lift your body upwards after laying down. Now bend your back and place your palms against the wall. Now walk down as far as you can. If you were able to do the back bend with the wall, then try reaching the chair or anything like couch. Now start decreasing the length of the object. Now try without any objects, but put something for safety. If you still can't do your backbend, then try it on a bed or something like that, where there are no chances of falling down. So that's it for the backbend. Keep practicing, don't push yourself too much, and take your own time. the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you achieved your backbend, so do tell me in the comment section and share this video to others who want to learn backbend. So like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.